Viewing your shifts in RotaCloud is quick and simple. Start by logging into your RotaCloud app and go to the Shifts tab. This will list all your upcoming shifts and days off. You can scroll down to see further ahead. Your employer may also allow you to see your colleagues' shifts. If so, these will show on your Rotas tab. There are two views of your Rotas tab, List or Grid. List view looks like this and will show all upcoming shifts for you and your colleagues in order of start time. You can use the arrows here to navigate to different days. To access the full Rota view, tap the grid icon in the top left here. You can then scroll left and right to move through the dates and up and down to view staff. If your employer has several different rotas, you can tap the drop-down at the top of the page to switch. Should you need to see more information on a shift, you can simply tap on it in any of these different views for more details. If you're on desktop, log in and head to your rotas page. Here, you'll see yourself and your shifts on the top row and your colleagues below. You can use the arrows at the top of the page to move between weeks and also switch to month view here.